Hello everyone and welcome back to John Bill's Iconic Military Models. Okay, so it's just a little bit of a different video today. I just want to talk about this YAMATO. Like I said, I've been building this for the last nearly 2 years now, and like I said, I'm still receiving a lot of questions from people saying, what's happened with your YAMATO build, John? Have you stopped doing it? Are you going to carry on with it? What's happening? So what I've done, I've brought it down off the shelf today. I'm just going to kind of just talk through exactly what the stage is with the YAMATO, why I've not worked on it for almost a year, and just my plans for the future. Okay, so as most people know, this is actually a part work, and it subscribes to this from Model Space. And the trouble is with part works is you receive parts, like normally 4 issues every month. You collect it over 2 years, and then hopefully you get a complete model. Okay, so I've never really had any issues at all. I've had the Millennium Falcon off Model Space, I've had the R2-D2 off Model Space, and this is obviously YAMATO, which is my third kit. I didn't actually get the HMS Victory from Model Space. It is the Model Space kit, but I actually just bought the full kit off eBay. I pretty much got it for an absolute bargain price. But like I say, I started this in around about November 2019. So yeah, I've been building it for just over 2 years. But everything's going fine. You're always a little bit concerned with part work builds that you're not going to receive your parts. But like I said, I got up to stage 19 and I had no trouble whatsoever. But it got to March of this year, and I was starting to see, obviously in the community, with people saying on the Model Spaces Facebook group saying, why aren't you sending me my parts? And it's pretty much every single kit. There's also a YouTuber that I watch, and he was saying he's not received any of his Victory parts, and just in general, a lot of people were starting to say, Model Space, where's my parts? So I was just starting to get a bit concerned. So what I decided to do is, like I say, I'd planned on obviously getting a wooden deck for this. I was planning on paying some money to get aftermarket parts, and obviously just a few upgrades. But when I started thinking that I wasn't actually going to receive the last 3 stages, which is some of the main parts of these die-cast parts, that's when I started to get a little bit concerned. So I was bringing across this box. Okay, so believe it or not, there's actually everything in this little box that's going to take me all the way up to stage 19. Like I say, all the main construction of the hull is pretty much 99% done. It's case obviously all the hull needs painting and detailing more than actually structural work. So that's why this is a small box. It's just pretty much just detailing parts, which is more the main guns and just a lot more the anti-aircraft guns, and just generally all the superstructure parts. It's just all in this box. But when you actually look through with the instructions between stages 20 up to 22, there is still some really important parts that I kind of need to actually complete this model. So that's one of the reasons why it's on hold for the foreseeable future. I'm hoping that I will receive the parts from Model Space so I can kind of carry it on and get it finished. Because I think they've moved over to a different company now, so I'm hoping that, like I say, they might be able to sort themselves out and I'll receive the last 3 stages. Because when I do, I'll just start to work on it again. Because what I didn't want to do is work on it and get it up to where I'm waiting for parts, and then I never receive the parts. Because for me, like I said, well, we're having so many models on the go, it's a waste of my time is to invest my time into a model that I can never complete. But I'm hoping I can. I'm a bit concerned if I can't, what do I do with this? I mean, at 19 stages, I'm not sure how much that is, about £450, if not more, that I've invested into this model already. So obviously, I don't know where I stand if I can't ever finish this model, what I'm going to do about it. Because like I say, there's no way I want to lose out £450. But like I say, I'm hoping I never have to go to that stage. But like I say, so I just thought, well, I'll just do a quick video, just let people know exactly what's happened to the YAMATO and why it's been stuck on the shelf for a year. But like I say, I know a lot of people subscribe to this, and I know, like I say, a lot of people are thinking, subscribe to this, John, where is it? And yeah, and I feel exactly the same. Because I do enjoy these wooden builds. I know they're not half as accurate as like especially now I'm working on the Trumpeter Titanic. I mean, I know that a lot of people say that's not accurate, but it's 100 times more accurate than this YAMATO. But wooden model builds are my thing, and I really enjoy working on these. So hopefully I get this bad boy finished. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope it answers a few people's questions about exactly what's happened with the YAMATO. and hopefully I'll get some more parts soon. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Take care, everyone.